Hello, I'm Mary Ellen Barbera, Chief Judge of Maryland's State Courts. On July 20th, if the health data does not deteriorate, the clerk's offices of Maryland's state courts will reopen to the public, marking the beginning of the third of the progressive phases toward full operation. Before I explain more, I would be remiss if I did not say thank you. Thank you for your patience and forbearance during these difficult weeks and months. The judicial branch has spent many hours monitoring, evaluating, and responding to the COVID-19 public health emergency. Without your understanding and flexibility, however, the judiciary would not be able to resume its core court functions. If you have not already done so, I urge you to visit the judiciary's webpage dedicated to COVID-19 at the web address located at the bottom of this screen. The website will provide you with resources, updates, and important information on the progressive, phased reopening so that you may gain a better understanding of what the resumption of operations may mean for you. It's important for you to know and understand that each new phase represents an expansion of operations and services offered in courthouses and court offices. Phase 5 represents the resumption of full operations. I noted that Phase 3 is expected to begin a week from today's taping on Monday, July 20th, when clerk's offices will be open to the public for the first time since March 16th. A broader range of court matters will also be scheduled. Some will be conducted in person and some on a remote basis. The phased resumption of operations will combine health measures with the operations most needed to serve the justice needs of the people of Maryland. The judiciary's new normal will look different because it incorporates measures needed to protect the health of court visitors and personnel. Judiciary personnel and those visiting courthouses and other facilities are required to comply with health protocols to help prevent the transmission of COVID-19. Please help us protect your health by continuing to practice basic health measures urged by the Maryland Department of Health and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. When you visit one of our courthouses or facilities, you will see many reminders, either on courthouse monitors or posters, emphasizing these exact guidelines and requirements. The courts are requiring any individual, including employees, seeking access to a courthouse or court office location to abide by 4 specific requirements, including answering a set of COVID-19 screening questions, allowing security teams to perform no-contact temperature checks, wearing a facial covering or mask at all times, and maintaining social distancing by staying at least 6 feet apart whenever possible. If you are denied access to a court building or court office, you will be provided information about possible alternatives, including remote attendance if available, or rescheduling if appropriate. I cannot stress enough how important it is that you take these requirements seriously. Thank you in advance for your cooperation. Those of you who do not have lawyers may need some guidance navigating and comprehending the court's reopening plan. For assistance, please contact the Maryland Court's Self-Help Center. You can find the contact information at the bottom of this screen. The center may be able to provide you with no-cost legal assistance, either by phone or via online chat services, regarding certain civil matters. So even as we are carefully easing closer to full operations, there is no operating business as usual. We are in a different world than the one we knew at the beginning of March. We may never return to the old normal. Given this reality, we must take the opportunity it presents to adapting technology, services, and processes to deliver our mandate to you, the people we serve. You may be wondering what the phase following the upcoming Phase 3 will look like in the reopening plan. Phase 4, which is expected to begin August 31st, provides for the courts to hear a broader range of court matters, including the resumption of non-jury trials and contested hearings in criminal, civil, and family and juvenile cases. We will continue to work together to keep you informed and, as much as is possible under the circumstances, to provide the access to the court that you need during the COVID-19 emergency. Please monitor the Judiciary's COVID-19 website for the latest statewide and local court information. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and well.